Hey guys, today we're going to do the hot fry challenge. This is my grandma. She kind of sucks at eating hot things, so yeah. This is how it goes. One of us will eat a fry, the other one will eat a fry, then I'll just keep on going back and forth until someone eventually takes a drink of whatever they're going to drink. And then that person loses the challenge. So, get right into the video. I'm not Keemstar.
Excuse yourself.
First hot fry. Here, now you get one.
Number 3. Hold on, 4.
I should go down.
Going on 5. You gotta eat the whole thing. You just can't nibble on it. Let me blow on it. I think he's giving out on me, guys. His face is getting red.
It's obviously not. I ain't giving up.
Woo, doggy! My mouth feels like the pits of hell. No fanning yourself, that's cheating.
No, you can fan yourself. I give up.
Woo, Dolly, I'm glad you give up. Grandma beat the kid at the hot fry challenge.
But there's always another time. There's always another time. Plus, this is only $1.39. You should have seen the big bag. They were $3. Bye.
Peace out.